Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here, ready for a Paletteful Packs unboxing. With my super messy hair, I need a haircut. Alright, are you ready for this? I changed my address because I'm moving back in with my parents next weekend, and I thought it was going to be like next month that they changed it, but it was actually this month. But it was a good thing I went over my parents' house recently so I could get it. Alright, so I have no idea what's in here. I already, cut the tape, but let's dive in. Oh my god, yellow. Yellow is my favorite color, guys. Oh my god, yellow. What is this? Ooh, pastel. Pastel? Ooh, what is that? I don't know what this is. I've never seen this before. What is that? Yellow, 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 yellow. Oh, these are like fuzzy papers. They're fuzzy. They're fuzzy. What is this for? I don't understand. Ooh, I like these. Yay. Ooh, and they're gray. Huh. That's really cool. That's really cool. I've never seen gray ones. I have white ones. I like that. Okay. So let's take a look at the menu and see like what this stuff actually is. It looks like I got yellow and blue. Ooh, those are good colors. I guess this is packed in here to make sure they don't, the pastels don't break. Do that in the camera. Okay, pan pastel. I'll have to look at this a little later. Apply pastel color like paint. Oh, that is awesome. Do I have to like unscrew this to get, how do I get to the blue one? Oh my god, that is so pretty. Can I just like touch it? Whoa! I'm gonna have fun with this, you guys. Oh my god, especially with this beautiful yellow color. Oh my gosh. I'm not very good at twisting these things, but oh my god. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I feel like I'm like playing with makeup, honestly. I mean, it feels softer than makeup. It feels more like pastels, but wow, okay. This is really cool. I mean, it's weird that this is the only like thing, but I don't really, I guess this is for the pastels. Alright, let's read about it. Let's read about all this stuff. Let's make it look kind of cool, you know. All this cool stuff going on. Okay. So, June 2019, Petite pack, Pan Pastel. So the first item is Pan Pastel, set of 2, Ultramarine Blue and Hanse Yellow. Oh, so everybody got these colors. That's not as fun. I kind of like when they do like, different colors for everybody. Okay, a new way to create with pastel color. These highly pigmented, ultra soft, light fast, low dust, erasable pastels, mix, layer, and apply like paint. They come packed in pans so you can easily lift, blend, and apply pastel color. The unique packaging protects the colors, keeping them separate and clean, and interlock securely for storage and transport. They are compatible with traditional pastel sticks, pastel services, and conventional fixatives. They allow for maximum control and can be used for intense strokes or to delicate marks. Retail is $16.50. Oh, dang. This thing is $16.50? It's really expensive. Alright. Must be good. I know that's not always the case, but I'm sure it is. Okay. And so this is the Soft Tools 8-piece starter set. Soft Tools features non-abrasive micro-pore sponge surfaces designed for artists to hold and release the right amount of color for smooth results. Developed for use with pan pastel colors, these tools can also be used with most water-based art for a variety of unique marks and effects. They are reusable and come in different forms and shapes to fit a variety of artist needs. The different shapes allow for precise marks, blending, layering, and more. This starter set contains a plastic knife, 5 knife covers, and 2 sponge bars. So you like put it on the knife and like with it. You see this thing? It's like a okay. And so now we get general pencil. Wait, what? I didn't get that. I'm confused. They're talking about something that I didn't get. Maybe they like made this mistake again and this is like the thing for the premiere pack. I'll have to look into that, but I want these. It says General Pencil Multi-Pastel Gray Tone Set. These extra smooth, pure pigment compressed pastel sticks are ideal for fine art drawing. They can be used to create interesting grayscale drawings, to add subtle highlights to colored drawings. They're oil-free, acid-free, and can be blended with the soft tools, paper, wrap stumps, or chamois. I don't actually know what that is. $4.32, but I don't have them in here, so I'm going to shoot them an email, because I don't know what's up with that. And it would be cool to have those. So, okay, the Strathmore Heavyweight Sketch Tiles in Cool Gray. Heavyweight toned sketch tiles are in cool gray are a special surface for creating drawings or patterns using light and dark media. The mid-tone values of the gray papers give you the unique opportunity to use bright highlights and dark shadows to make drawings or patterns that really pop. Retail $5.49. And this is the velour board. Unless you're a dedicated pastel artist, this is probably a surface you've never tried before. You got that right. Oh my gosh, I lost my place. Pastel velour paper has a unique velvet textured surface ideal for pastels, oil pastel crown, chalks, and charcoal. Retail $1.99. So that's really interesting. Mine kind of has like a line on it right here. It's kind of still there, but yeah, it's kind of got a mark on it. I don't know where that came from, but I've absolutely never used this kind of thing before, so that I guess I'll use that for my, maybe I'll use that for my prompt. I don't know, maybe the tiles. Okay, let's look at the prompt. Paletteful Packs Prompt and Challenge. So June prompt, week 1 is Sky, week 2 is Tired, week 3 is Rock, and week 4 is Wet. I don't know if I really like any of these, but I'll make something up that involves them. But yeah, so that was it. I don't know about the gray pencil multi-pastels, so I'm gonna look into that. But these are really pretty, and I'm really excited to use them because I've been wanting to get more into pastels and stuff, so this is great because I only have like really crappy pastels. I mean, they're not that bad, but they're like the Blick ones, so. Alright, so this is good. This is exciting. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. I know it might be a little late from when it got to me, but yeah, it's here now. So I hope you enjoyed that. And I would like to thank all of my patrons: Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. And it means so much to me that you support me. And everybody else, I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing. You know, check out my channel for more stuff like this. Hit the like button, that would be awesome. I'd appreciate it. Comment so we can talk. I like to get to know y'all. Alright, so bye now. Goodbye. Have a good day or night, whatever.